Hello everyone, welcome to RB Study Corner. So yesterday we start MCQ series which is based on my current affairs. So today we discuss next 10 questions. So let's start the video and just see the questions. The next one is question number 11, which is based on a Ramsar sites. The question is Deepor Bill is a Ramsar site in which of the following state of India. So their options are Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Assam. Let's see what is Ramsar site. In-depth details about Ramsar site. All you know about the Ramsar site, it's a global treaty popularly known as Ramsar Conservation, which is adopted in 1971 and it come into the force in 1975. What is the objective of the treaty? The objective of the treaty is to promote conservation and wise use of the all wetlands through regional actions and international cooperations. Currently, this treaty has been adopted 171 nations including India. There are 2414 wetlands of international importance under Ramsar Treaty. India had 37 Ramsar sites in 2019, but recently in 2020 have added 5 more Ramsar sites, 5 new Ramsar sites, which are Assam Conservation Reserve, which is located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Next one, Kabartal Wetland, which is located in Begusarai, Bihar. Third one, Lunar Lake, which is Buldhana, Maharashtra. Fourth one, Tasokar Wetland, which is located in Leh, Ladakh. It's a UT. And the fifth one is Sur Sarovar, which is located in Mathur, Uttar Pradesh. Sabamitva scheme comes under which of the following ministry? Option A is Ministry of Environment, option B Ministry of Finance, option C Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, option D is Ministry of Panchayati Raj. So the scheme comes under option D. It's a Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding Asiatic Alliance. It's a statement-based question which is regarding Asiatic Alliance. The first statement is it is listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Second statement is it is categorized as endangered on IUCN Red List. The options are option 1 only, option 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Both the statements are correct. Let's come to the next point. Consider the following statements regarding Asian Development Bank ADB. The first statement is its headquarters is in Shanghai. Second statement is India is one of its founding members. Options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct? The correct answer is option B. It's a only 2. Asian Development Bank is a regional development bank established on 19th December 1966 and its headquarters is not in Shanghai, its headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statements regarding TRIPS. The first statement is it is an international legal agreement between all the member nations of the World Trade Organization WTO, and second statement is TRIPS was negotiated at the end of the Uruguay round of the General Agreement of Tariffs and Trade GATT. So which one is the correct answer? The options here is 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Which one is the correct? The correct statement is option C. Both the statements are correct. Question number 16 is where is Dala Dam located? Here is a straightforward question. You have to be mention the area where it is located. The first option is Pakistan, second option is Sri Lanka, third option is India, and fourth option is Afghanistan. Which one is correct? It's the correct answer is option D. It's Afghanistan. Again, it's a statement based question. Consider the following statements regarding a national program for organic production NPOP. The first statement is it is implemented by APEDA. Second statement is it is not recognized by the Food Safety Standard Authority of India FSSAI for trade of organic products in the domestic market. Which one is the correct? The options here are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option A. Only 1 is the correct. APEDA comes under which of the following ministry? Option A is Ministry of Environment, option B Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, option C is Ministry of Finance, option D none of the above. Full form of APEDA is the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, which was established by the Government of India under the Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority Act passed by the Parliament in December 1985. So here the correct option is none of the above. Section 142 of the Social Security Code 2020 has been notified for which of the following? Option A is for increasing minimum wage of unorganized workers. Option B for increasing minimum wage of organized workers. Option C for collecting Aadhaar details for the database of beneficiaries under various social security schemes. Option D is for collecting Aadhaar details for the database of women only who are unemployed. Then which of the correct answer? Here the answer is very simple. Let's see the last question of the day. Which of the following are kharif crops? Tur, urad, cotton or wheat? Select the correct code is 1, 2 and 4 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only. Here again it's a very simple question. The second answer is correct. The correct answer is option B. It's 1, 2 and 3 only. So today's 10 questions is completed. See you next day again with the 10 questions. So have a good day.